Introducing Pelvic Muscle Stimulator System, a comfortable, non-invasive way to support pelvic floor wellness. Our session begins as the client approaches the treatment chair. The system is simple to use and designed for complete ease. With just a touch, the device powers up, preparing for a personalized training session. The client takes a seat, settling into the ergonomic design created for relaxed and effective pelvic floor stimulation. Adjustments are quick and intuitive, allowing every user to find the perfect position. Next, we move to the smart software interface. We start by registering a new member, then selecting the appropriate program designed for their needs. Intensity levels can be customized with precision, ensuring comfort throughout the entire session. Once everything is set, we navigate to the pelvic floor repair screen, where the system guides the session from start to finish. As the treatment begins, the client simply relaxes. The technology delivers targeted stimulation, offering a gentle, effortless pelvic floor workout. Comfortable, convenient, non-invasive. Pelvic Muscle Stimulator System, supporting confidence, wellness, and quality of life.